So student Veena Dixit here. Please subscribe my channel. All the best. God bless you. Very important concept, ionic equilibrium we are doing. What do you understand by solubility product constant? That is Ksp. Always you remember Ksp. Ksp. What is Ksp? It is actually solubility product constant. Okay. It is denoted by Ksp. It is the product of concentration of ions. Product of concentration of ions. See, product of concentration of ions is equal to Ksp. So Ksp is the product of concentration of ions involved in solubility equilibrium. Each raised to a power equal to the stoichiometric coefficient of the ions in the chemical equation of the equilibrium. Okay, so here I took BaSO4, Ba2 positive and SO4 2 negative is obtained after the ionization of barium sulfate. Barium sulfate is a weak electrolyte, sparingly soluble salt it is. So only few amount of barium and sulfate ions are present in the solution. That is why K equilibrium is written as Ba2 positive, product of Ba2 positive and SO4 2 negative concentration upon concentration of BaSO4 solid. Remember, I have written here solid. Why? Because most of the solid will remain as such. Only few few particles of solid ionizes as Ba2 positive here as ions. Okay. Here I took barium and sulfate, barium sulfate. So I am saying barium 2 positive and SO4 2 negative. Okay. Now K equilibrium is equal to Ba2 positive barium ion concentration multiplied by sulfate ion concentration, means product of these two upon concentration of BaSO4. At that time we are saying it chemical equilibrium because it is existing equilibrium now. At when chemical equilibrium is multiplied by concentration of BaSO4 because it remains constant. So this is called Ksp. Again I will repeat, Ksp is equal to K equilibrium multiplied by concentration of BaSO4 or whatever solute is given for that. Okay, so K equilibrium BaSO4 is equal to Ksp is equal to concentration of Ba2 positive and SO4 2 negative product of it. So where the equilibrium constant, Ksp is solubility product. Clear? And this Ba2 positive we are writing like this, means molar concentration. Molar concentration always written like this. Okay, Ksp of solid in the equilibrium constant for the solubility equilibrium between ionic solids. Remember, ionic solid and its dissolved ions. Here solid constant. Okay, solid is constant, so Ksp is equal to K equilibrium BaSO4. So that is I told you earlier. Okay, now here I took some example. Ksp small amount, so smaller the Ksp value, smaller the amount of ions in the solution. Here I have written the value. Solubility equilibrium. Solubility equilibrium is type of